If you need to remove a payment method from Google Photos, follow these straightforward steps. This process will help you manage your payment options effectively. Step 1. Open Google Photos. Launch the Google Photos app on your mobile device or visit the Google Photos website on your computer. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account associated with your payment method. Step 2. Access account settings. In-app, tap on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. On the website, click on the gear icon for settings. Look for the option that says Payments and Subscriptions or Manage Your Google Account. Step 3. Navigate to Payments. Once in the account settings, find the Payments and Subscriptions section. Click on it to view your payment methods and transaction history. Step 4. Select Payment Methods. In the Payment section, locate the Payment Methods option. This will show you a list of all the payment methods linked to your Google account. Step 5. Remove the payment methods. Find the payment method you wish to remove and select the option to delete or remove it. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the payment method is successfully removed. After completing these steps, your selected payment method will be removed from Google Photos. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Google Support.